Hi everyone, this is Jay Torres and welcome back to Would You Like to Make. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you. The Bosch GEX 185 Li cordless random orbit sander. In this video, we're going to unbox this tool, explore its features, and I'll give you my first impressions. So, let's dive right in! Would you like to make? First, let's unbox this Bosch GEX 185 Li cordless random orbit sander and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the sander itself, the user manual, the service center directory, and some sheets of forms which I am not certain what this is for because those are written in foreign language, but maybe these are for warranty purposes. And the dust bag. Bosch always does a great job with the packaging. It ensures that the sander and the dust bag arrive in perfect condition.
Attaching the dust bag to the sander is a breeze. You'll notice a built-in connector on the sander's body is specifically designed for the dust bag. Simply slide the bag's connector onto the sander's outlet and it securely snaps into place. It's a hassle-free process that ensures the bag stays in position while you work.
Now, let's take a closer look at the features of this sander. Number 1, it's a brushless motor. The Bosch GEX 185 Li is equipped with a brushless motor, which is known for its high efficiency. Unlike traditional brushed motors, which use brushes to conduct electricity, brushless motors operate without physical contact points. This means less friction, reduced wear and tear, and most importantly, increased energy efficiency. Number 2, design. The sander features a sleek and ergonomic design that's comfortable to hold and operate. It's designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3, power and battery. It's powered by a separately sold 18-volt lithium-ion battery, which is known for its long-lasting performance. With this cordless design, you have the freedom to work without being tethered to an outlet. Number 4 is speed control. It comes with a variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the sanding speed to match your project's requirements. This is a fantastic feature because it lets you tailor the tool's performance to different materials and tasks. Number 5, dust collection. One thing I really appreciate is the integrated dust collection system. It helps keep your workspace cleaner and healthier by capturing the majority of the dust produced during sanding. Number 6, sanding plate. The sander features a 125mm sanding plate that delivers excellent results with minimal vibration. It's equipped with Bosch Micro Velcro type fastening system for quick and easy sandpaper changes. Alright, now it's time to put the Bosch GEX 185 Li to the test. I have a piece of 2x8 lumber here, and we're going to see how this random orbital sander performs. First, let's power up the sander. As you can see, it starts up smoothly, and we have full control over the speed.
As mentioned earlier, this sander comes with a variable speed control, which is a great feature for tailoring the sanding speed to your specific project. I'm going to start at a lower speed to demonstrate. You can see that even at this lower speed, it's doing a great job of removing imperfections and rough spots on the wood. It is smooth and easy to control, which is essential for achieving a quality finish. Now, let's dial up the speed a bit. The increased speed allows us to cover more surface area quickly and tackle tougher standing tasks. As you can see, it's really making quick work of the sanding job. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution make it comfortable to handle for extended periods. Let's dial up the speed again a bit more, but not to its maximum. One of the standout features of this sander is the dust collection system. It's doing an excellent job of capturing the dust as I work, which helps maintain a clean and healthy workspace. Plus, it saves you from a lot of cleanup later on. Overall, I'm really impressed with how the Bosch GEX 185 Li random orbital sander handled this piece of lumber. It left a smooth, even finish, and the dust collection was efficient. Whether you're working on large projects like this or smaller DIY tasks, this sander is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Furthermore, let me share my personal impressions of this random orbital sander after using it on this piece of lumber. First and foremost, I was really impressed with the comfort and handling of this sander. The ergonomic design and well-balanced weight distribution made it easy to control and maneuver. It felt like an extension of my hand, which is crucial for extended sanding sessions. As I sanded the wood, I noticed that the sander provided an incredibly smooth operation. The random orbital motion effectively prevents wear marks and leaves a consistent finish. It's a great choice for achieving that professional touch. The variable speed control is a standout feature for me. Being able to adjust the speed on the fly allowed me to tailor the sander's performance to the task at hand. Whether I needed precision or wanted to remove material quickly, this feature proved to be incredibly handy. The integrated dust collection system is a game changer. It did a fantastic job of keeping the work area clean, minimizing airborne dust and preventing that dreaded cleanup mess. It's not only convenient but also great for health and safety. So, did the Bosch GEX 185 Li meet my expectations? Absolutely. It's a versatile, user-friendly, and high-performing random orbital sander that I can confidently recommend to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's a solid addition to Bosch's lineup of power tools, and it certainly met my expectations.
To wrap things up, I'm really excited about this Bosch GEX 185 Li cordless random orbit sander. It's a high-quality tool that combines power, precision, and convenience. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this sander is a great addition to your toolbox. So, if you found this unboxing and review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and DIY tips. And if you have any questions or comments about this sander, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.